Hey, now I'm Witt. Time for another giveaway. This time the Militado ML10 Type B Flieger. To remind you about this watch, it's a 37 millimeter diameter watch with 44 millimeter lug-to-lug length, 18 millimeter lug width for straps, 10 millimeter in thickness, and just 54 grams. It's got a 316L stainless steel case, which has been sandblasted. You've got a flat sapphire crystal with clear anti-reflective coating and a matte black dial with beautiful handset and BGW9 luminescence throughout. The crown is 7 millimeters on this, so great size screw down crown and screw down case back. 100 meters of water resistance. And this cool little Flieger is running the Seiko VH31 sweeping quartz movement. Now, for more on the watch, just check out the original video. For the giveaway, I encourage you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you leave a comment on this video, I'll use a random comment picker to select the winner. You can see the complete contest rules in the description down below, as well as the giveaway date. I'll announce the winner in the posts section of this channel and in the video comments by leaving a heart next to the winner's name. Remember, I'm the only one that can do that, and that way you know that it's not a scammer. So good luck, and if you're hanging around a little longer, I got a couple videos here you might like. I'll see you over there. I'm Witt, with so many watches, so little time and money.